When you stare at yourself in the mirror or quietly listen to your inner voice, do you feel a trace of desire? Everyone has a desire to pursue happiness and growth in their hearts. However, in the dark and hopeless tunnel, how can you find the direction that light illuminates you? Buddhism tells us that the inner light comes from the nature of each of us. Everyone has infinite potential and wisdom. Just wake them up, and you can pursue the path of happiness and growth. Day and night, you should always protect your kindness. With the thoughts of kindness, love, and compassion, you will find the inner treasure. When you are lonely and helpless and lose your direction, you might as well stop and listen carefully to your inner voice. This is an opportunity for you to re-examine your value and meaning. Instead of being bound by the judgment of the outside world, it is better to heal the soul with good thoughts. Remember, you are a unique and beautiful existence, and everyone has endless value in their hearts. Buddhism tells us that our energy comes from the inner self, not the external conditions. Through meditation and thinking, you can awaken yourself with unlimited potential. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams. No matter how difficult it is, you can overcome them because you have a tough heart. No matter how much pain you have experienced, don't let them become obstacles to your growth. Through love and tolerance, you can heal the wounds of pain. As the Buddha taught, every sentient being deserves mercy and care, including yourself. Instead of consuming self-reproach and fear, it is better to let go, accept the present, and face the future with compassion. Buddhism teaches us to live in the present, let go of the burden of the past, and not be stubborn about the future. Every present moment is a gift. Through mindfulness and gratitude, you will learn to cherish the present and enjoy the beauty of the present. In the journey of life, we have experienced countless ups and downs and challenges. However, by reshaping self-esteem and showing our inner light, we can get out of the predicament and find our own way to happiness. Facing yourself and others with compassion and love, you will find that light and hope are always waiting for you. Let's rebuild our self-esteem together, exert our inner strength, and illuminate the world. If the heart is calm, the result is good. The calmness of the heart and the result of kindness are connected. When we maintain inner peace and can face difficulties with a positive attitude and behavior, we can cultivate more kindness and love. Life is short, and we should grasp the present well. The time of life is limited and precious, so we should cherish every moment, especially now. Only when we devote ourselves wholeheartedly to the present can we truly experience the richness and beauty of life. Face yourself and others with compassion. Whether we treat ourselves or others, we should face it with compassion and compassion. When we have compassion for ourselves and others, we can eliminate hatred and grievances and find real strength and harmony. Everyone has endless wisdom and potential. We should not ignore our inner values and abilities, believe in our potential, and strive to give full play to our talents. It's better to love yourself first than to love others. Loving yourself is the basis for building self-esteem and kindness to others. When we can truly love ourselves and take care of our own needs and happiness, we can be more capable of loving others and supporting their growth and happiness. May everyone find their own light inspired by these intelligent views and help others find their own light in the process of glowing.